Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a Gx340 11HP Honda. Machine itself 200 bar, 15 litres per minute. Machine itself with a reduction gearbox. On the Barrow frame with 13-inch wheels. Comes with primary frost valve like normal, like all our machines. INTERPUMP WS201 reduction gearbox. Flow sensitive unloader, so when you're using the machine itself, you've got the trigger pulled, you've got your 200 bar, when you let go you've got zero pressure in the high pressure hose, not like other machines in the marketplace. Quick release all the way around. Like I say, this is on the Barrow frame. You'll also see the pump is also shocked underneath, so it just protects the system. Machine comes all ready to go, all oiled up. You'll see the oil levels inside the system. Only thing you've got to do is put petrol in the pressure washer itself. Comes with suction pipes and return, dump and returns. This is set up for flow and return, so when you let go of the trigger, the machine itself returns back to tank. So you can leave it running all day long, you'll do no harm whatsoever. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.